What's up, everyone? Really excited to dive into this video. This video is going to be around draftbit. I came across this product probably a month or two ago, and I signed up. I requested access. I'm obviously my studio is building apps in React Native all the time, and we we're building them all the time, and I personally am starting to learn React Native even more, and I'm trying to find better ways to make things quicker, and even for my own ideas as well. So me being a huge no code advocate, I was definitely excited about this because this is building an app pretty much in React Native with no code. Um, yeah, so you can pretty much drag and drop. Has some pretty nice customizations. You can add APIs. You can do a lot of stuff. Publish a build. It's pretty much running on Expo. This is coming soon. Which is dope. But yeah, this is this is some exciting stuff, right? I mean, if you're able to build something, if you're able to build your product and replicate it on this, I mean, draftbit, if you have the team to do that, draftbit could be a great way to test new features. But yeah, so I'm gonna sign in, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just kind of break down, just what it is, what you get access to, and then I'm gonna start making videos after this video on just little features breaking down. Excuse me. Breaking down the whole product itself. So first of all, you get in, it has your dashboard, and then has like a what's new, which is really cool. This is cool. It gives you some features that they're working on, which is really dope. And this is definitely going to be doing this. There's some starter apps that you can choose from. There's example screens that you can choose from. I mean, look at these example screens. Community, you have a community which is ask questions, which is dope. Documentation, which is very important. Tons of docs on this. Feature roadmap. Firebase integrations under review, which is freaking sick. Camera, like these are all Stripe payments. Bubble, I know you can integrate within Webflow, which is really cool. So I'm a huge Webflow guy, gonna definitely be looking at that. But we're gonna start from scratch. Testing. Let's continue. And what it does is it asks you, so what you're gonna use it for. I'm just gonna say not sure. I do wish they created another symbol for this. I feel like they could do something cooler, but it's all good. So we're putting the app together. Start building. And so here we are now officially in the designer, right? So what we have here is just some basic options. Sorry, I don't know why I keep yawning. So, all right, so we have our layers here, just kind of like Webflow, kind of like Figma, all those design tools, which we can easily click here, and you can't really move around yet, but it's trapped in a view. The image, we also can't move around yet as well, but what we can do is kind of see how this is all working. So to me, it looks like all this stuff is in a container, and this container is easily going to space out these elements. These are your element options to the right. This is your designer. Over here is container options, and then we have like our database, and then we have interactions, which is cool. And then if we go back, we can preview things, we can publish things. What's this right here? We can share and get the code, which is sick. This is awesome. I mean, yeah, this is really cool because you can learn from this. You can definitely learn a ton of stuff from this. Like, this is all React code, which is really, really dope. Yeah, and here's the style sheet. So sick. That's so sick, and you can export it. That's so sick. All right, and then so our layout. Then we have screens. So these are all our screens, which is cool. Themes. You can, quickly add in themes to your product, which is really cool. Navigation. Haven't dived into this yet. Data, this is cool. Get some data. Firebase coming soon, which is sick. And then assets, fonts, assets, and then settings, right? So settings is also here. So this is like a really cool tool, guys. I'm actually gonna preview this, and you can scan your QR code, or you can, send a live preview of it, email or phone number, which is cool. So yeah, I'm like really, really excited to kind of dive into this. I'm gonna be talking with the draftbit team around getting myself up to speed, and maybe we can design a pretty cool app, or try to, or publish our first app. Oh, sorry. And see, let's see if we can do something cool with this, guys. I'm really excited. So, I'm gonna be creating more episodes around this in the near future here as I learn more and more about it. But until then, I appreciate you guys checking in. Please go check out my latest videos. Oh yeah, you can also add stuff here. This is all the options you can add. So you have like basic text stuff, you have media, you have layouts, you have lists, you have inputs or controls, you have these are blocks, progress indicators. I mean, look at all the small cards, so many things. So that's really it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. Sorry for the quality of the audio. Sorry for just yawning, just really tired. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Go check out my other coding videos, my other design videos. Like, comment, subscribe below. Please subscribe. It's obviously what keeps me going and it makes me want to keep making these cool videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.